What up YouTube, we're here in another video. This is a Doro. This is a 8035. Now this is a phone designed for elderly people, people that have problems with seeing and hearing. So it's easy to use menu, loud clear sound, and it's got an assistance button as well. Okay, on the side of the box it's got some information. So the phone is an Android smartphone, has HD voice, also has this medical information, storing that sort of information as well, 4G LTE Wi-Fi, and also it has GPS as well. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's inside. Okay, so phone box is open here. Inside here you have your phone. We'll get to that in a second. But inside here also you have a micro USB charging cable, your instructions, and also a Apple-like charging USB adapter, with instead of the USB being at the bottom, it's at the top there, so it's easier to get to. And then we will have a look at this phone. Okay, so this is the handset just here. So on the back it's got this protruding camera, so it's raised from the actual body of the camera, and it's a single camera, and then the button's got the assistant button. So this assistant button, it's for like 999 emergency and stuff like that as well. And the color is all glossy in this sort of metallic grey effect. Plastic on the back, and the front it has this pre-applied screen protector. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, and the back is also removable, so it doesn't take an eject tool, and it comes off like so. So the top is a micro SD expansion bay. The battery is a 2500 milliamp hour, 9.5 watt hours, and it takes a nano SIM card that slots in just to the side there as well. Slip the back on. Basic simple smartphone, and nothing more than that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been Ace. Like, subscribe, peace out.